side and work our way towards the left. So for the 3 red buttons, from the inside out, it'll be gray, purple, blue, and then mirrored on this side, gray, purple, blue. And then for the joystick, the red wire will go up here. And then diagonally will be the orange wire. The yellow wire is above that one. And then the green wire down here. So it'll go red, orange, yellow, green. And then you'll go in and add the grounds. And then these are your player buttons, first player and second player. And then